What's going on, everybody? Storm Chaser Kevin here, coming to you live from Crowley on Saturday, September 6th, 2025, with live storm chasing coverage for the final time in the year of 2025. We have live storm chasing coverage right now of a destructive severe thunderstorm warning warned with 60 to 65 mile per hour winds and quarter size hail. And there is so much lightning right now with this line of severe thunderstorms. It literally looks like a goddamn Christmas tree. And unfortunately, I was inside a safe place, but now I'm forced to be outside in this. And I guess I don't mind risking it. But hopefully, you guys enjoy the show, and let's hope I don't get struck outside. But we'll see. There's nowhere else to go. I can't go in Walmart because they don't want me there. And I can't go home until 10 o'clock because they don't want me there. But let's watch the show, guys. I'm hoping to get live footage of either a rotating wall cloud, a couple of CG lightning strikes with branches, or maybe even a tree getting struck. But I also told the dealership to take their flag down 2 days ago, but they didn't listen. But who's ready for Christmas? Oh, I got that one. That was a purple lightning bolt. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Run, run,
Run?
run, yeah. Over 900 lightning bolts. Run. Run. It kind of looks like we're looking at a shelf cloud right now, but I can't be sure. Also, I do want to mention we are under a severe thunderstorm watch until 8 o'clock this evening from the Storm Prediction Center. Also, I can confirm the severe thunderstorm watch states that a tornado or two is possible. And last time I looked at radar, there is a lot of spin with this storm. Not enough for a strong EF1 or EF2 tornado, but definitely enough. You can go ahead.
You live right now?
Yeah.
Really?
I'm going to be live until 10 o'clock right here.
10?
Yep, 10 p.m.
Are we going to get a tornado?
We might. There's been 3 tornado warnings already.
Where?
For Connecticut.
Up north?
No. You know where New Canaan is? North Canaan? Yeah, and there's a tornado warning right now in Kent, heading this way.
Yeah, it's not far.
Yeah. I feel bad for all the customers here and over here. They have to go out and wait. They have to wait till it's over.
I know. Lightning's crazy.
You know how many lightning bolts are with this
I
storm?
keep seeing them over there.
You know how many lightning bolts are on radar?
Like
6,000.
600.
It's like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, I have to be out here because they won't let me in there right now because they have too many customers. And Walmart doesn't want me over there. Chipotle doesn't want me over there.
When's the rain going to start?
Like in the next 5 or 10 minutes. This is a slow-moving storm too, though. Yeah. Question: I said to them to take the flag down 2 days ago. Why didn't they do it?
I don't know. We probably should, though.
Is it too late? I'm pretty sure.
It might be too late.
I mean, I would try if y'all can. I would. Whoa! This is a supercell, guys. This is a supercell. 75-mile-an-hour winds incoming. Woo! Darren, you going home early? You going home early? You have to stay until 6? Oh, that sucks. They said this will be over at 8 o'clock. Unfortunately, I'm stuck because we have over 6,000 lightning bolts with this. Man, look at all that rotation. You see the green, right? You see that green? You see it? That's hail, unfortunately. Woohoo! What a show for the last thunderstorm of the year. Definitely, we got green sky. Green sky, everybody. Green sky. And we have a funnel. We have a funnel. Wow, what a show for the last storm of the year. Whoa, they hit a tree! Get inside! Get inside! Look at the inflow tail! Look at the inflow tail right there! Look at the inflow tail right there! Wrapping in! Look at that inflow tail! Look at this! Woohoo! Look at the inflow! Look at that inflow! Holy crap! Wow! This storm means business. Look at the inflow wrapping into this thing. And this is why they canceled every car show in Connecticut today. This is why. My God! Look at the inflow wrapping into this thing. Woohoo! Man, look at the inflow surging with this. We have a rotating wall cloud under the shelf cloud. Woo! Man, look at the rotation. Woohoo! Yeah, it's too late to take that flag down. Look at the amount of inflow with this. Look how much inflow we got. Woo! I'm going under. Wow, what a doozy for the last storm of the year. Oh my god, look at the motion. Look at the rising motion here. Look at the rising motion. That rotation is so close to the freaking ground. Wow! Holy freaking goodness! Hammer. Woohoo! Where's the lightning? Bring it! Oh, here we go, round two. Woohoo! Oh, here comes the lightning. Alright, we're in the middle of it now. I'm not really in a good spot. Lightning is striking. I'm in a good spot now, I kind of think. I don't know. Man, that was crazy. Winds are shifting backwards. The winds just shifted in that direction. Now they're going back towards us. That's a clear sign of a tornado. When the wind shifts in one direction and it goes back the other way, that's a problem. Woo! I am not really in a good spot, but this is where I gotta go. Look at the American flag was wrapped around the pole. Woohoo! Winds have subsided for a minute, but I've got a feeling they're going to pick up again. Oh my god, the rain came down so heavy it's like flooded. Here we go again. That was right here. That was right here. And my bag got soaked. I don't care. Oh, here we go. Now we got the Christmas tree coming through. Here's the main event. Come on, give me some lightning. Here we go again. Main event. Here we go. That was over there. Power flash. Power flash over by the Shell gas station. It's nowhere near over. Nowhere near over. That was too close. But that was amazing. Big, big bubbles. Big, big thunder. Can we get lightning strike of the year? Woohoo! We are in the hit. We are in the mega part. We are in the final part of it.